Hi and welcome to this video where I'm going to play the cello part of Jingle Bells. I've also recorded the first violin and second violin parts of Jingle Bells as well, so there are videos of those available, and all of the sheet music can be found on my website, which is www.stringmaestro.co.uk. So for this video I'm going to use the backing track which is included in Fiddle Time Christmas by Kathy and David Blackwell. The notes in this arrangement are easy peasy, so you've got open D and open A, and also first finger E in the D string, which is here. So the form of this piece is there's an 8-bar introduction, then you play the first verse, and then you do a repeat. So you play 8 bars in, and then you play the second verse. So here's a little bit of Christmas cheer. So here we go. Bar 2, bar 3, so it's in 2-4, 1, 2, 1, 2. Here we go, get ready? Keep your first finger ready. Oboes with little accents. Open D. Here's this first finger E. Oboes. First finger E. And a big whoosh. And you can just try some dancing here. It's my favorite bit. Here we go. So here it is for the second time. And 1, A, D, D, first finger E. Well done. A, D, A, first finger E. Swing A with a big whoosh. Whoosh! Merry Christmas!